someone's snoring.
No, Daddy.
Snoring, wow.
Good morning. It is day 3.
Yes, and look at this plate.
You made a braid. It's so
Yes.
nice. So it's Sunday. We are just lazing around. We woke up late. As in, other people woke up late. I woke up a little early, finished editing my video. It's already done. And it's getting uploaded now. And I'm just lazing around for a bit. We are watching Hell's Kitchen inside. It's just, I think the final episodes are going on. So just watching Hell's Kitchen. Let's see what we are doing today. I don't know.
I might go to the beach if it doesn't rain.
Oh, yeah. Okay. We might go to the beach today if it doesn't rain. We are watching Hell's Kitchen means just me and him, not the children. The children are not watching Hell's Kitchen.
How does that hot? Does it melt in your mouth?
I was cooking for my husband and not my mom, so I haven't been with the red thread. I don't want to be able to see on the fish star.
We mix milk usually for pancake. We mix milk and that's it.
What the?
Don't need water. We just add milk.
And Ryan this said.
And Ryan, we do add only milk. That's why ours is more yummy.
And I want to see.
You take video for me. You hold it.
Okay guys, so today we're making pancakes. I'll show you what we need. We need milk and this
This is what?
this pancake mix.
Pancake mix. How much are you going to make?
I'm
We're not going to have too much, right? Because it's already very late. We have lunch soon. But since you want to have pancake, we'll make a little bit.
So we're gonna mix.
See, I told you we just mix milk. See properly here. Is it coming or not?
Okay. You just watch what?
Done? Is it okay? Okay. Nice batter.
Mommy, I'll make the next batter for you. Welcome pancakes. Welcome pancakes to Fairyland. Having pancakes for breakfast. I already had Milo, but I want pancakes. Last time I didn't eat pancakes with syrup and butter, but now I am.
Anusha always used to have pancakes, no? Avni didn't used to eat pancakes. Now she eats.
She doesn't like waffles.
And most of the time on Sundays we do make pancakes. Today it's a bit late.
Sometimes.
I think it's almost lunchtime very soon, but I still made. But Avni wanted to eat pancakes, so I made pancakes. We'll have lunch a little bit later.
And
We
then
are
we'll have
ordering lunch. The old syrup we can't find it anymore. We have got this new syrup which is called Walden Farms pancake syrup. It's pretty good.
best pancakes in the world.
Ish. But
Sneak in behind me and catch me with my trousers down, huh? Rather you kept your trousers on, Tots.
We're watching a movie. I'm very scared. I'm leaving remember.
she said we are watching a movie. I'm very scared. She wants English captions. This one doesn't have English captions somehow. We're watching Ting Ting.
Who gets me? Who? The sour faced
And then we are going to have lunch. Our lunch has already arrived. I've ordered from Darbar. It's one of our favorite restaurants. Oh, sorry. We have ordered from Delhi 6. That's also another favorite restaurant.
What else can I be?
I'm still not hungry.
They walked in this room.
We had pancakes so late, we are still not hungry, so we'll eat after some time. So this is our lunch for today. What are we having? Biryani, dal. That's something I'm not really sure. Vegetables.
I had it.
And that is arbi.
And we're watching movie. Adventures of Tintin.
It's so late. We're having so late. Come, let's eat quickly.
We won't be able to.
Okay, so Avni, we need to store this one. Okay, this is our new Lego. So many of you asked me how I store the Legos. So I will show you what we do. So this is our daughter's huge Lego collection. See. So this is my God, this is heavy. Okay. So this is what is this? The container. Okay, in this container we keep our instruction booklets. Okay, and And we have also purchased this one. Now this is from Lazada, and this one came from China. I think it's a Lego storage box. You can search Lego storage box on Google. So it has compartments like this which you can configure, and all the extra Lego pieces which we don't know where we should put, or if you find them lying around in the house, we keep them here. Normally it is color coded, now it's not, it happens. Okay, so once in a while I'll go and color code them. Okay, so this one is the latest one which they have purchased. They means Avni has purchased. So they are not playing with it anymore, so I'm going to break down everything.
Because it's broken. Wait, what is it doing here?
And all the pieces which are supposed to be in the Lego are in the instruction booklet. If you guys have bought Legos, you know, right? So I usually see each and every piece and then find accordingly and store them. So far all the Lego pieces in each of the Legos are there. They are not missing. So all the Legos do work. So that's how we store. And then where do we store the Legos? I'll show you that as well. Okay. So there are two boxes like this. So in these two boxes we have the Legos. Okay, all in Ziploc bags. And we have labeled all the Legos, so it's easy to find. So this one is frozen. And
Mommy, it's not usually frozen actually.
And then this one. So this is how we usually store the Legos, and they'll just go inside the box and take whichever they want. Okay, so now I'm going to break this thing and we will put in these two Ziploc bags. Okay, so this one is the latest Lego which is in. This was our first Lego which Anusha had bought when she was 3 years old. This one. Harry Potter. One day I will do a Lego video. I'll show you all the Legos which we have. Why was it bursting like that? Everything went so easily.
Which
I don't
one
know.
burst?
The box, there was no space, it was like bursting. Okay, done. Okay, it's raining again. Look at that. Every day it has to rain. Oh my god. Okay, it rains almost pretty much every single day. I think after Avni is born, yeah, after Avni is born, this is the first time we are here in Singapore this time of the year. तो हमको आइडिया ही नहीं था कि इतनी बारिश होती. Apparently होती है इतनी बारिश, है ना? After Avni is born, is this the first time we are here in Singapore? After Avni is born? Yeah, after Avni is born, we have always been out on holiday. Never. This time of the year, we had never been in Singapore.
First time we went to Kuala Lumpur when I was 3 months old.
So we don't know. Maybe this time of the year it always rains. I don't remember. So every day it's raining. कल का भी देखा कितनी बारिश. तो अभी हम लोग बीच जाने का प्लान कर रहे थे. रेडी भी हो गए हम लोग बीच जाने के लिए. But it's raining. Obviously the beach is also going to be wet, and it's raining there also because the beach is quite nearby. It's called the East Coast Beach. तो आज तो जाना होगा नहीं. Let's see what we do.
I'm just seeing the weather and temperature while using Siri.
Okay.
Kuala Lumpur.
देखते हैं कहाँ जाते हैं. Let's see. We are still thinking what to do. Because ready हो गए, कहीं तो जाना चाहिए.
We'll just take 61 and go all the way out of the place.
Yeah, we can do that. It's raining. It's still raining pretty heavily. But it's, you know, what's the time? I think it's just 5:30. Just 5:30. ओके सो हम आ गए अभी एयरपोर्ट बिकॉज इट्स रेनिंग वी थॉट विल कम हियर टू Jewel which is what is Jewel? A shopping? It's a shopping mall at the airport with like it's a very nice open space. It's about 30 minutes from our home. So बस से आ गए डायरेक्टली बस आती है एंड इफ़ यू हैव बीन टू सिंगापुर देन दिस मे बी फेमिलियर थोड़ा बहुत पता नहीं एयरपोर्ट से उड़ेंगे कब हम बट एयरपोर्ट आने में बड़ा अच्छा लगता है. ओके सो हम जा रहे हैं Jewel. एयरपोर्ट के अंदर एज इन डिपार्चर में ही जा सकते हैं बस बट हम डिपार्चर की तरफ नहीं Jewel को जाएंगे. सो दैट साइड इज़ Jewel and the other side is the airport. Okay, that side is the airport. Oh, I would love to go inside. ये तो बैगेज एरिया है. यहाँ से लोग निकलते हैं आजकल तो बहुत कम निकलते हैं. आई होप हम भी कभी जल्दी निकले. तो एयरपोर्ट और द मॉल इज़ कनेक्टेड. द मॉल इज़ ओवर हियर. लेट्स गो इनसाइड द मॉल. मॉल में भी चेक इन वगैरह करके जाना पड़ेगा. छोटा सा गार्डन है यहाँ पे. चलिए मॉल के अंदर चलते हैं अभी. Oh, look at that. We did it last time. We did that net last time. Oh my god, it looks easy. It's not easy. We are having some coffee now. To enter the rainforest, we have to spend something. Usually it's not the case. We don't have to spend really. But I think because of the crowd and because it's Christmas time, holiday time, everybody will come. So they have made it mandatory.
Allons plonger vers les ciels de Méditerranée.
Wow, इस साइड कभी आए नहीं हम लोग. Look at the water there. Wow, look at that. We can see the waterfall, and it comes over here. So we are going to Marks and Spencer now, do some shopping, and then we will go inside the fountain area. अब अंदर जाने के लिए कुछ खरीद रहे, कुछ बैठ के चबाने के लिए, खाने के लिए कुछ चटपटा. लेट्स सी कुछ मिलता है क्या नहीं.
Allons plonger vers les ciels de Méditerranée. Échappons-nous vers l'horizon.
You're nice. Uh-oh. You got naughty. You got naughty.
Anusha is not. Only take.
Okay, now we are going home. We'll take a taxi and go home. Let's go.